Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to be talking about how to add fractions. Now, the first thing to do is to check your denominators. The next thing is going to be add the numerators. Then you keep the denominator and then you simplify if needed. Now, the reason for telling you to check your denominator is because it's always necessary. What we are doing here is adding fractions with common denominator. So you have to make sure to check if the denominator is the same. If it's not the same, that means you have a few more steps to go through before we get to what we want to do here. All right. So before we start proper, I just want to show you an illustration. There are different ways to add actually, but I want to show you an illustration. Over here we have 3 over 4 plus 1 all over 4, right? Now a way to represent this would be, imagine you had a pizza, and over here the pizza was divided into, let's say, 4 equal parts because the denominator is 4. So the pizza was divided into 4 equal parts, yeah? So because it's 3 over 4, obviously 1 is taken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this one because it said 3 over 4. So you know that 1 is missing from that pizza. Now imagine now you have another pizza that is just 1 all over 4, divided into 4 places though, but you just have 1 all over 4 of that pizza. So I can decide to shade here 1 all over 4 of the pizza. Now I can, okay, let me clean this up so you can see it visually. Now this is 1 over 4 of a pizza and this is 3 over 4 of a pizza. Now imagine you can move this fraction and add it here. You have a whole, right? You have 4 over 4 of a pizza, right? That's how it is with adding of fraction with the same denominator. So what you are going to have there is simply 4 over 4. It's still the same thing as adding the numerators. So you are adding this and this together. 3 plus 1 will give you what? That's 4. All over, you are keeping the denominator. So you have 4 over 4. And then simplify if needed. Here you can simplify. 4 divided by 4 is what? 1. Yes, thank you very much. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So that's the analogy to use whenever you are dealing with fractions. Look at this again. You have 4 over 7 plus 2 over 7. Now instead of saying pizza, 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 I can decide to do this. I have a bar that was divided into 7 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. But 4 out of that 7 was taken. So the same bar now, again, divided into 7 places again. But 2 was taken. How many bar is shaded here? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2. That's what, 6 altogether. See the same thing over here. You have 6 all over 7. That's your answer. Now, you can't simplify this because this is in its simplest form, right? The same thing. The last one, so that's what you're going to do. So you are just going to add the numerators and then keep the denominator. So you have 5 plus 1, that's 6, all over the denominator is 8. So you have 8. So that is how to add fractions with the same common denominator, with the common denominator. So the rule still applies. Check the denominator. And I've said why. You add the numerators, you keep the denominator, and you simplify if need be. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and share to your friend that really enjoyed it. Also, put in the comment section what topic you want me to do next. Bye bye.